The Credit People Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description below for easy access. The Credit People is a well-established credit repair service designed for individuals who need a reliable and affordable solution for improving their credit scores. Whether you're dealing with late payments, collections, charge-offs, or even bankruptcies, the Credit People offers a streamlined approach to tackle these issues and help you rebuild your credit. Their service is particularly well suited for people who want a straightforward, no-frills credit repair solution that doesn't break the bank. One of the standout features of the Credit People is their affordable pricing structure. Unlike many other credit repair companies, they offer two pricing plans, a $19.99 per month basic plan and a $39.99 per month premium plan, both of which provide access to their core credit repair services. The premium plan includes additional features like faster dispute resolutions and advanced credit monitoring. This flexibility allows customers to choose the plan that fits their budget and credit repair needs. The Credit People also offer a free consultation and a money-back guarantee if they can't deliver results, which adds an element of security for those concerned about committing to a long-term service. Their easy-to-use online platform makes it convenient for clients to track the progress of their disputes and credit score improvements. Another benefit is their 24/7 customer support, which ensures that clients always have someone to assist them with questions or concerns. However, one potential drawback is that while the Credit People provides basic credit repair services, it doesn't offer additional services like debt management or credit counseling, which some competitors include. Additionally, the process of removing negative items can take time, and results vary depending on the complexity of the issues on your credit report. In conclusion, the Credit People is a solid choice for those seeking an affordable, straightforward credit repair solution. With competitive pricing, easy access to services, and solid customer support, it's a great option for individuals looking to repair their credit without the hassle of complicated packages or high fees.